Today we're talking about macronutrients versus micronutrients. Macronutrients are fat, proteins, and carbohydrates. These are the components the body needs to maintain its structure and function. In fact, we need this group of nutrients in larger quantities to provide energy for the body. Proteins provide essential amino acids. Fats provide essential fatty acids, and carbohydrates are the main energy source for our bodies. Micronutrients are all those vitamins and minerals the body needs. And in this country, even the people with the healthiest diets are still deficient in vitamin A, C, D, and E, as well as magnesium and calcium. And we're actually quite deficient in all those. I'll link my playlist that talks about what these deficiencies mean for us as far as health. And also it tells you which foods contain these so we can add them more into our diets. You probably know I recommend a balanced diet of micronutrients to help our bodies get all those nutrients that it needs. But unfortunately, over the past 100 years, micronutrients have been bred out of our food. So when I was little, my grandpa had an apple tree in the backyard, and they were little and they weren't pretty and they were sour. They really barely had any sweet to them at all. And when you think about apples these days, they're huge and shiny and beautiful and super sweet. And in doing that, and that's with most fruits and vegetables, it's slowly been bred out. So with that said, even if we have a well-balanced, healthy diet, we really do need to find a quality, whole food, bioavailable multivitamin or supplement. And of course, you probably know I highly recommend the Lifelong Vitality Pack. It's a 3-pack. The VMZ is all about getting us those vitamins and minerals that we need that even the healthiest diet's not getting. Second is the omegas, so that's our omega-3s, 6, 9s, all those fatty acids that are for heart health and brain health. And then the third one is alpha CRS, which is our superfood blend. All those things you've been reading about that we want to get into our diet, they're in there. And I've been taking these for about 8 years. I don't plan to ever stop. I feel amazing. I love how I feel. I definitely felt younger after I had been taking them for a while. So please reach out with any questions. I'll put my email in the show notes. At this point, I'm still giving free 20-minute health consultations. If you want to talk about these vitamins or the other supplements that I take, I'm really happy to share that with you. Please subscribe or follow, and I will see you next time.